Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another Amazon favorites video. I had some good results with my last one because it's the holiday season. I thought I would share a few extra favorites here. So these sketchbooks are from Funto. They're a popular brand on TikTok as well. They do come in different sizes, so if you wanted the ones that are a little bit smaller that look like the little square, they have those as well. I chose the little bit larger ones. So they do come in a pack of 2, and then they have that your little elastic band there to keep everything together. And I wanted to show here that these do lay flat. So that's a nice feature as well. It does have a sturdy like cardboard cover there. And the papers are cold press. And it is good quality for sketchbooks. I would say the paper it's nice and sturdy. It's definitely better than some other journals that I've had. And there is no show through on the sides from one side to the other. And it has the nice sewn in there, as you can see right in the middle, not just glued, which is nice too. It's a little bit better made. Yep, so they come in a pack of 2. That would make a great gift as well. A little stocking stuffer. And next up, I have some colored pencils, watercolor pencils, but these are really nice because you don't have the wood around them. So they are the Woodless pencils. These are from Grabie, and I do believe there was 24 different colors in this particular set. They sharpen really well. I haven't noticed any breaking, so that's good. Sometimes with your pencils, especially if you're somebody who has a heavy hand and you're pressing too hard, those little tops, they snap right off. And here's the swatches. You can see how nice and vibrant the colors are. Yeah, overall, that's a really great set from Grabie. And this one's actually from Grabie too. These are really popular, the glitter pens. Now, you can use these alone or with the multitude of things here. So there's 18 different colors in this set. And these are the skinny, like fine liners. So I use mine for details, but if you're interested, they do have jumbo ones as well. So that depends on what kind of artwork you're doing there. And it does come with these fun coloring sheets. So you have some cute little designs there of food items. You can see how shiny and sparkly they are. You can clearly see how much ink is left in them too, which is nice. I noticed that. I use my gold ones the most. And on the back here, it does have all the colors. You can pause that if you needed to just to see what colors are in there. It has a wide variety. And then I wanted to show a close-up here. This is just a watercolor bookmark I made with some leaves. And then I used the gold to outline a few and then have some details with the leaves there and the veins. So next up here, I have, I think this is called the Sketchbox easel from Meeden. They have a few different kinds. I do have a larger black one, but honestly, I like this smaller one better here. It's what I'm going to show today. And I think the black one is only available on TikTok anyways. But yeah, so it has a nice handle. And then they have these clasps here on the front. So you're going to undo them, and then the drawer pops out. So you have nice storage underneath here. And a few different separate areas there. So 3 different compartments. You can fit some longer brushes And then some, you know, in the back there, your paints, maybe small sheets of paper. And on the back side here, there's another clasp. So you're going to lift that up, and I'm going to flip the camera around in just a second here. And there's a little lever so you can adjust your sizing on the angle. So there's a few different areas there. You can see how high you want it to be or low. It's really easy to use, and it's sturdy too. It doesn't go anywhere. So you can have like a small canvas like this, or you can use the fatter stretched canvases as well. These are the most recent brushes I've tried from Meeden. So the watercolor brushes, there's 9 of them, and they do come nicely packaged, so in those tubes, so they're protected. And then there's a little plastic piece you can take off there. These are some of the fatter ones. They are quite large, as you can see there. And then some of the smaller ones I already have out. I was using them on different projects here. So you have a wide variety depending on how big you work. These are really nice mop brushes. Soft, nice and soft on the tips there. They hold a lot of water. That's what the mop brushes are known for. This set would be great for beginners or intermediate. It doesn't really matter. And there's no shedding or anything either, if somebody was curious about that. Meeden has some really nice art supplies, and then the storage supplies as well. The little brush holder with the holes in it is from Meeden too. And one last supply here, as long as I was showing the Meeden stuff. If you really like watercolor, their ceramic palette little plates here are really nice too. This one in my hand here is probably one of my favorites. Just cleaned it up and left the 2 colors there recently. But you have a lot of your little wells, and then the big mixing area. And then you can see how thick it is. I will say just be careful with them because they are ceramic. You don't want to break it. But they're definitely sturdy and well made. But my tabletop there is tile, so I'm always really gentle with it on there to put something underneath it. But yeah, and then they have the little tiny ones as well. This one comes with a topper as well. So lots of variety there. These would be nice stocking stuffers too, if you were looking for like a small gift for someone or yourself. You can also use the top as a mixing area if you needed the extra room too.